Now at 6, detainees at Alligator Alcatraz will have the right to a bond hearing. This was announced today after hearing arguments from the ACLU in a lawsuit that challenges current policy at the facility, saying detainees have not had access to their clients and are unable to file documents needed for their release. Now, lawyers from the ACLU argue this violates the Fifth and First Amendment.
CBS News Miami's Yvonne Taylor joins us live from Miami. And Yvonne, you're speaking with an attorney who has 2 clients detained at Alligator Alcatraz.
And he only met one of them, Elliot and Lauren. We're talking about a client who said, we're talking about an attorney who said he was determined to fight bureaucracy. And as I said, he only met one of his 2 clients. And he also told me that attorneys' meetings at Alligator Alcatraz are not private.
When you can't speak to your clients privately, now it begs the question as to whether or not they want you to see them or not.
Willie Allen Jr. is an immigration attorney in Miami. He had 2 clients transferred to Alligator Alcatraz in July. He complied with requesting permission to see them and did not get a response.
Essentially, we were taken back in these black vans with blacked out windows so we couldn't see outside. We're let out in front of a small tent. We went into the tent, a table in the corner with a laptop, presumably to do video chats with their attorneys. There were multiple security officers and agents sitting in that area. As I sat down with my client, one of them sat at the table essentially not directly next to us, but behind my client. He couldn't be more than 4 feet away from us.
So no privacy?
No privacy, none at all.
This case challenges the lack of attorney access at the detention facility.
Eunice Shaw is the senior counsel with the ACLU National Prison Project and the lead attorney on a second federal lawsuit against the state of Florida and the U.S. government. The lawsuit's calling for detainees to receive due process. American Civil Liberties Union of Florida and Americans for Immigrant Justice represent some of the detainees. A big argument for the plaintiff is lack of confidentiality. He made attempts to go see the other client. He said he was denied access.
We emailed them, we fill out the forms that they told us we have to fill out, and we got a response for one, not for the other.
What happened today is that we won a big victory. The government has caved on the fact that they are now providing bond hearings, and they have designated an immigration court for people who are held at Alligator Alcatraz to be able to seek release from custody.
Well, the state of Florida is saying that they had already granted permission to attorneys to meet with their clients since mid-July. ACLU disagree, alleging that some attorneys never even got a response from Alligator Alcatraz. Now, the federal government is actually saying that they had already designated Crumb Processing Center to deal with Alligator Alcatraz since Saturday. And as far as Judge Ruiz, he said that it'll take him about 48 hours to decide if this case will be heard in Miami or other venue. We're live in Miami. Yvonne Taylor, CBS News, Miami.